I got Miss Deborah saying she ready. She ready. I got Miss Sheila saying she ready. Awesome. Okay. All right. No holding back. Here it is. This is the 100 daily game plan. Here it is. I need for you to create your lead magnet. Most of you already have this, but maybe you may need to tweak it. Maybe you need to look at your lead magnet and see if it addresses either a desire that your ideal client wants, or does it address a challenge that your ideal client needs to overcome? Does it address a value that your ideal client really, stands grounded on? Look at your lead magnet and see, does it address one of those three? It doesn't have to do all three, but just one of those three. So create your lead magnet. The second thing is that you need to have a CRM system. Did I spell system? Okay. Like MailChimp or ConvertKit, which they changed the name to Kit. Okay. FloorDesk or what else is out there? I just said ConvertKit. Constant Contact. I don't care. Unless you got to have an email system, a CRM system. Okay, because this doesn't work unless you have one. Then you need to create a landing page or a squeeze page. A squeeze page is how you squeeze an email out of someone. So your email service provider that you're using needs to be able to create landing pages or squeeze pages for you. That means just like an opt-in page. So those are, you might see it called opt-in page. You might hear it called landing page, or you might hear it called squeeze page. But you need to be able to capture people's name and email, right? Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you so much. Okay. And it doesn't have to be fancy. It can just be a simple little thing, right? We talk about this inside the Coach Simplify Academy a lot and how to create it. I use a program called System.io that does all of this. System.io is a platform that it does all in one. So it has email marketing, it has landing pages, it has squeeze, it has all this stuff, right? Then the next thing is, I'm surprised I didn't number these. I should have numbered these, right? Because that would be step number 4. Step number 4 is that you need to decide on your paid offer. Now, remember, I shared with you some different paid offers that you can start with right away. One-on-one coaching. You can create a digital product that has a budget or low, moderate price offer. You can do like affiliate commission. Maybe you have a service. Not a service. Maybe you have a product that you feel like people just need to have, right? And then make sure you get commission from it. Because we want to start building up, how do we start making $100 a day, okay? Because if you can start off making $25 a day, that's better than zero, right? Okay? So decide on what your paid offer is going to be. And then you want to write and schedule your email sequence, okay? Miss Jane says she has a system as well. Oh, good. Yes. So you want to write and schedule your email. And so the last thing is that we want to promote our lead magnet. And you will do that using the 31 ways to promote your lead magnet. Like, that's your game plan. That's your $100 a day game plan. I just mapped it out for you. And what I want you guys to know is that you're welcome. What I want you guys to know is it's not hard. It's work. There's some steps to it, right? But I want you to check things off as you do. If you have a lead magnet that addresses the desires or a challenge or a value that your person is, your ideal client is having, then you check that off. Now, do you have an email list? Do you have an email system? If you have one that creates landing pages and squeeze pages for you, then check that off, right? And then the third thing is to create your squeeze page, okay? It's just like a mock-up of your ebook. You must have a visual. We'll talk about creating lead magnets next week and what your lead magnet should look like. We'll talk more about that. That's exactly what I'll talk about next week, so that you get people to convert, because Your lead magnet needs to be visually, like aesthetically visually pleasing. Okay. We'll talk about that next week. And then you need to decide on what your paid offer is. Don't complicate this. Don't create something, right? I don't want y'all to get stuck in that creation mode, because when we get in that creation mode, then we don't really take action, right? We feel like everything has to be perfect. So I want to look at what you already have. And the easiest one to start making an offer is your one-on-one. And now I'm going to give y'all a real face on this, and I'm going to say this, and I'm saying it with love, right? I'm saying it with love. If you're saying to yourself right now, and you have no products, you don't have any digital products, you still have a course that hasn't been finished, you got an ebook that's still on your desktop, you haven't done nothing with, you haven't, there's no way that people can send you money, nothing like this. But you are standing strong, like, I'm not doing laser coaching, I'm not doing one-on-one coaching, I don't want to talk, but you don't have no other offers, then I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, because if you don't have anything right now that someone can buy from you, and you're just refusing to do one-on-ones, then I don't know what to say. There's some things I want to say, but y'all know I'm not going to say those things. If you have nothing right now that people can buy from you, start with the one-on-one sessions. Start with 1 hour strategy sessions, offering one call. Solving one problem. That's it. That's all you have to do. They can pay you through PayPal. They can pay through cash. I don't care how they pay you. But start with that. But you got to make the offer. You got to tell people that you have this available for them. All right? Okay, y'all, I got some yeses. All right. So, guys,